So, Ella, have you got a plan? Have you been practicing?
I have got a plan. I've got a few things. I've got some engineering principles in my head.
And aerodynamics are really important in cars, aren't they? And this is quite a lot about aerodynamics and all that kind of thing. So I mean, I'm sure the whole of McLaren is going to be behind or something.
No pressure.
No pressure at all. Right, let's get 60 seconds on the clock. Are we ready in the studio? Okay, here we go then. So count us in from 5 in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Woo! That was
here we go. That's a great whistle. Yeah, it worked today. I mean, the pin keeps getting stuck.
Right, Mark.
Oh, so you're doing a little.
We're going to go, light weighting.
This
Remember
is looking a little light weighting.
Yeah.
You see, materials engineer here.
Absolutely.
This is what's happening. Yeah.
So that is extra mass that we don't need.
Doesn't want it.
We don't need it.
And you're just doing a fold over the middle there. There's 2 corners going in, so a bit's gone. We'll find out a bit more about why the bit went and the light weighting of this piece of A4 paper. So yeah, that's right. You could start with A4. You could turn it into A5, couldn't you? It doesn't really matter.
Absolutely.
You just have to start with the A4.
Don't be governed
by it. Oh,
I
better check my watch. You've got 25 seconds left. This is very technical. There's some very precision engineering going on here. We would expect precision engineering from McLaren, wouldn't we? But you are running out of time, though, which is not like McLaren at all. You've only got 12 seconds left. Here we go. Okay, now for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh my word, that was, wow, that is an unusual looking plane though.
Right,
so it's not got a lot of wingage.
No, it hasn't.
Is wingage a word? Can we even use the? I mean, wingage. You looked at me like what?
Minimal
wingage.
Aesthetics, beauty, and function.
Wow.
There we go.
So, and it actually does look a bit like that kind of McLaren 3-seater shape, doesn't it? Do you know
from the top, the bird's eye view.
I love this. I love it. And is
so
it going to fly?
aesthetics I've done. There we go.
Bring yourself round the front. This is. I mean, if this goes all. So basically, your feet must remain behind the white line as you throw it. If you step over as you throw it, you'll get a DNF. Did not fly.
Okay.
You don't want a DNF on the leaderboard.
DNF.
You've got danger stand 1554. Okay, that was basically nearly the end of the studio.
Yeah.
Mr. World 6.7, and then Maddie, Greg at the 3 metre-ish, Sophie at 1.4. The ramjet didn't start or something on that one, and Shroot 0.4 a metre. The electronics failed. Are we ready then? Let's count her in. In 3, 2, 1, throw. Oh no! Oh no! No! Oh, there'll be some conversations. There'll be some conversations. Ellen, this is not right. Well, let's measure it. It's ahead of Shroot, just a bit behind Sophie. Right. It's too far for the laser. Hang on. It's coming up there. The end of the studio is 19 metres. I'm afraid to say, Ella, it didn't get that far.
That's a shame.
It's 83 centimetres.
Is it?
83 centimetres. Well, a big round of applause for Ella there. We'll write that up on the board.
Oh, Mark.
Oh.
Great handling, though. Great handling. Did you see the cornering?
I did. It was amazing. It went around the corners. It did a couple of spirals. It was beautiful. Stuck to the carpet like glue, I think people say there. Yeah. Right. So 83. That's going in there. Gosh, this is complicated stuff. There you go, Ella. 0.83. Fantastic.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for joining us. Big round of applause for Ella. Absolutely brilliant.